Being a goat farmer is never boring. Her foot, I don't know even how that happened. I don't know how I can get it out. I'm gonna try and pull. It's alright, sissy. See if we can.
See where it is.
That ain't gonna work. Poor little foot.
It's in there so tight. Alright? How? Pull it down and then get it through there.
Yeah. Job, you reach here and pull.
The board.
Yeah, pull the board out.
So.
Oh, there we go. Man alive.
They pooped.
That's a lot of poop.
They pooped in our.
Scared the poop out of her, didn't it?
Yeah.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
She's limping a little bit, but not too bad. I'll just keep an eye on her.
Hey guys, so today we are feeding the animals and catching the chickens because they're gonna get butchered. Sadly. Pinky. The one with the pink nose and the only goat we have ever had. That one's Brian because he's big. He's a big boss.
Yeah.
And, well, he was actually born a day after those two.
The twins, yeah, and he is so much bigger. As you can see, Stella is still
Big.
big as a house.
Thanks, you want me to soda?
I didn't feed them as much as usual, but I just put some scratch and regular crumble in there for them. I didn't give them as much because here in a few hours they're going to be put up and not able or not given any feed till tomorrow. That way they don't have like any food and stuff in their gizzards when it's time for them to be butchered. It rained last night, so I put down some straw for them. That way they wouldn't have to stay on the mud and be gross all day. But, yeah. They're fat and happy, and they'll make us fat and happy. Later, after they get done eating a little closer to this evening, I think we will come out and we'll try to round them up in a cage. I feel like I have something in my face. Anywho, we'll come back out later and round them up and put them in a little cage or something, and hopefully that'll go smoothly. Video was chasing around the chickens, but it wasn't that entertaining, so you didn't miss much. But here they are, all loaded up and ready to get eaten. Bye, chickens. Thanks for watching.
Stay wild, stay weird, and peace.
Peace out.